In this guide, we'll show you how to quickly identify and fix a disconnected QuickBooks account, ensuring your AI CFO always has uninterrupted access to your financial data. If an error causes your QuickBooks ledger to disconnect, LayerNext will immediately notify you via email and the mobile app. If you happen to miss these alerts, you will also be notified the next time you attempt to interact with LayerNext. Let's say you try to request current chart of accounts. The system will flag that the QuickBooks connection has been interrupted. Fortunately, resolving this is simple and takes just a few clicks. To fix this, navigate to your dashboard and go to Tasks. Locate the task labeled Need to Reconnect QuickBooks and click on it. Next, simply click Reconnect and log in securely with your QuickBooks credentials to reauthorize the connection. Once verified, the integration is restored instantly. Your data will resync and you can continue using your LayerNext account and consulting your AI CFO exactly as usual. For more guides, visit our customer support at layernext.ai/support.